In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on Instagram. Now, the first way is getting a share of the playing bonuses for your Instagram Reels. And your earnings depend on the number of plays your Reels get. And to get a good portion of these bonuses, you need to create high quality Reels and then get a huge number of views. The second sure way to make money on Instagram is getting virtual badges and stars from your audience for your videos or Reels. And you can redeem these gifts for real cash and then get it through a payment method. Another sure way to make money on Instagram is through Instagram subscriptions, mainly for your videos. And here, you get a fee from your subscribers for your premium content. And to get a good fee, you need to have a good number of subscribers and creating interesting content. The next sure way to make money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs where you can sell their products or services. And you just need to include an affiliate link or a code in your profile or a content and earn a commission when someone buys through the link or using the code. And there's also selling your own products or services as another sure way to make money on Instagram. And you can sell like everything from physical products to digital products, or even promote your skills and the qualifications to secure a job. And you just need to direct your audience to where they can buy or access the products or services. And you can use the Instagram shopping tool or Instagram ads or Instagram business account to boost your sales. In addition, you can do sponsored content as another way to make money on Instagram. And here, you get paid by brands to promote their products or services through influencer marketing. And you can just mention or describe the brand, product or service on your content. And you can connect with more brands on Instagram Creator Marketplace. Moreover, you can do crowdfunding as another sure way to make money on Instagram. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support or on donations. And you can also take your content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money on Instagram include getting a share of the Instagram ad revenue, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, making Instagram digital collectibles and selling them, completing challenges for pay, creating and selling Instagram accounts, collaborating with the top creators to boost your account and earnings, licensing your content to media houses or other interested parties, and then becoming an Instagram consultant. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.